Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make apple vinegar. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. To make the vinegar, of course we need apples. Washed, cut into smaller parts. We don't have to get rid of the parts in the middle. You can also use the peel of apples to make the vinegar. For flavor, you can also add, for example, mint. We will need boiled and then cooled water. We have to add a sweetener to it. We can use as a sweetener, for example, sugar or honey. Put 4 tablespoons of sweetener for every liter of water. You can make vinegar from other fruits, such as plums. The apples should be completely under the water. Over time, the apples will fall to the bottom of the jar and the water will turn cloudy. The jar must be covered from above, for example, with a new one sock or gas. A vinegar should stand for at least 2 weeks in a warm place. Every day, or at least every second day, we should try to mix it. This vinegar can be used, for example, in cosmetics. Thanks to the fact that vinegar increases the sensitivity of cells to insulin, it helps to control blood sugar levels. It has antibacterial properties, so it is, for example, a natural alternative to chemical cleaning agents. Washing fruits in such a vinegar also allows you to reduce the amount of pesticides that may be on them. When the apples have fallen down, the finished vinegar must be poured into the bottles and it's ready. You can drink it, for example, on an empty stomach, where you put a tablespoon of vinegar on a glass of water to get rid of many ailments. Bon appetit!